Hey my dears, and welcome back in today's video. I am Gwenai, and today we're going to see a very simple smoothie that you can do. I really like this one. It's super easy. You don't need that many ingredients for that. It's also healthy and there's chocolate in it. It's not gonna be a crazy type of smoothie. I personally think that if you're on a rush every morning, it's just perfect because it's super quick. You don't need to think too much about what ingredients you're gonna use or whatsoever. It's like the version I'm using for that only requires 3 ingredients, and of course if you want some more sugar taste in it, you can totally add something like maple syrup or anything like that in it. But here are the ingredients you shall need for this recipe. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As you can see, it was super easy, very basic, but so good. Yeah, sometimes you don't need things to be complicated to be great, actually. And this is a perfect example of that. If you did appreciate this video, don't forget to give it a little thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm planning to share plenty of stuff that I really like with you. And as always, thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, everything. And I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!